In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a chart with 3 axes in Excel. To get started, open Excel and make sure your data is organized clearly in columns with headers. For this kind of chart, it helps to have one category column such as months and then several value columns like sales, profit, and customers. A simple example would be months in the first column, then sales totals, profit amounts, and customer counts in the next columns. Keeping your data tidy is important because Excel builds charts much more accurately when each column has a clear label. Once your table is ready, select the entire data range including the headers. This step matters because the headers will be used as the chart legend and series names, which makes the final chart much easier to read. Next, go to the Insert tab in Excel. From there, choose Insert Combo Chart and then select Custom Combination Chart. A combo chart is useful here because it lets you display different data series using different chart types, which is especially helpful when your metrics are measured on different scales. Now it's time to configure the series. For example, you might set sales as a clustered column on the primary axis, profit as a line on the secondary axis, and customers as another line on the primary axis. The key idea is to place the series with a very different scale on the secondary axis. If profit values are much smaller or much larger than the other numbers, checking the secondary axis option for that series will make the chart much easier to interpret. After that, click OK. Excel will create the combo chart for you, and at this point you'll see 2 visible vertical axes, the primary y-axis on the left and the secondary y-axis on the right. This is the standard limit in Excel, so even though you may be working with 3 data series, only 2 actual y-axes can be displayed. If you want to simulate a third axis, this part is optional, but it can be very useful. Add a third data series and format it differently so it stands out clearly. For instance, you can use a different line style, markers, or another visual treatment that separates it from the other 2 metrics. Then use tools like data labels, custom scaling, or hidden helper series to make that third metric easier to distinguish. The goal is to create the effect of a third axis, even though Excel technically supports only 2. That's the process for building a chart with 3 axes in Excel, using a combo chart and a smart visual workaround for the third measure.